Okay, so tonight's dinner is kind of a leftover, something quick and easy. I love these Weewaka Bistro pizza doughs. They're already done. It's on a parchment. You just roll it out. I have some leftover pulled pork that I had in the freezer from a little bit ago. I just have the package of cheese. I have some banana pepper rings. I actually cut my own peppers and put it in the juice so it could brine and pickle that way because I didn't want to waste it. I'm going to put a little regular sauce down. I'm going to make the pizza up and we're going to throw it in the oven. Okay, so we're going to start off by rolling this out. So these pizza doughs cook at 425 degrees in a regular oven or a convection oven, my apologies, at 400. So I'm going to throw a little sauce down. I don't like super saucy pizzas. My husband also sometimes gets really bad acid reflux, so I try not to do too much. But as with sandwiches, I am the same with pizzas. Crust to crust is a must. So I'm going to lay down some cheese first. This is actually frozen cheese, and I found that if I keep the cheese in the freezer, of course, one, it lasts longer, and two, it melts better. All right. Now time for some pulled pork that I had in the freezer. I just thawed it out today. I don't like to let things go to waste. If I don't eat it right up, I'll either can it or I will freeze it. I'm going to keep this out though and not refreeze it, since my husband is helping my uncle tear down a barn. I will make him some pulled pork sandwiches for the week. I'm going to rinse my fingers real quick. I'm going to put some more cheese on the top of it. I like to put the meat underneath the cheese because I feel that it stays on the pizza better when you eat it. I always use one full package of cheese for a pizza. And what I also do is I kind of push it into the dough. And I found that it keeps the cheese and the meat or vegetables, whatever I put on it, it stays on the pizza better. So I'm going to put some banana pepper rings on here. I just sporadically kind of throw them through. And you can hear my puppies playing in the background because we just got home from work and they are very excited. All right. So what I also do is I always use a little bit of juice from the banana peppers. I always think it gives it like a good flavor. It just melts in with the cheese and all the toppings. So I'm going to put this in the oven at 425 degrees. Throw it in there and we'll see it. So we're going to take this pizza out of the oven. Ooh. That's a noise. All right. So I'm going to let this sit for a minute so the cheese can set just for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to cut it. So it's all cut up. This is what one of the single pieces look like. This is one of our go-tos whenever we have leftovers pizza. It is.